This is CPC Farms. Today I want to take you on piglet typhoid and how to cure it. So basically, what is typhoid in pigs? Typhoid is also called scouring in pigs. A situation whereby the feces of the piglets start becoming milky or watery, and if not attended to, can lead to death and in severe cases can cause death of piglets. For a case study, I'll be showing you how the typhoid is derived. The first thing you observe, you want to observe in piglets when they have typhoid is their stool, like I said earlier. It's what we see on milky stool. Okay. For the case of these piglets, they are yesterday made them 4 weeks old. They are 4 weeks old as at yesterday. So we noticed some kind of watery stool, milky stool from the piglets this morning. This is how we actually identify the case of diarrhea or scouring in piglets. So now, having understood how to identify these these bacteria, now let's get right into it. How to cure these bacteria or how to cure these illnesses. For the purpose of now talking about the curative measures for typhoid in piglets, or as we some of us know is scouring. I'll be taking us on two ways to treat scouring in piglets. One, by using the conventional drugs, which are here. This is sulfadimidine and this is gentamicin. And the second way is a cost-effective strategy which will help farmers cut costs on drugs. In this year, we use the bitter leaf, cococifor, for coccidiosis. Coccidiosis contains a large number of sulfadimidine in its contents, so we use it in place of sulfadimidine to cut costs. The third um, thing we'll be using is the flagyl. Flagyl is used for stopping running stomach, which is also a symptom in piglets experiencing diarrhea. Now, the fourth thing we use is tetracycline antibiotics, because some typhoid are caused by gram-negative bacteria. So this helps if this if let's say if there are different causes of typhoid. That takes me to this. Now, one of the causes of typhoid is dietary change. The second cause of typhoid is bacteria and infections. So peradventure it was caused by a bacteria. The tetracycline in our solution will help fight against that bacteria. By the way, tetracycline is an antibiotic taken by humans. So, having said this, let's get right into it. The first step will be to we'll squeeze out the nutrients from the water to make it liquid, so we can administer it orally. So, having mashed this, to mash it properly, so all the nutrients in the bitter leaf will go to the water. Then, having done this, We introduce the flagyl. Can you see the length? We use a handful of bitter leaf for 1/4 of this small junga for chicken. Then we mix with 3 tab of the flagyl. For those in Nigeria, flagyl is common for stomach bite and running stomach. Then our tetracycline, which serves as antibiotics, also use 3 capsules. I apologize for those who are having added the flagyl and the tetracycline. We add the cocosifo or a coccidiosis drug for chicken. Now, the reason why we add this coccidiosis drug is because it contains high amount of sulfodimidine, and we don't need to use the whole pack, just a spoonful of it. So you can imagine with me how many times you can actually use this pack for a large number of pigs as compared to this, which can easily get exhausted and you have to buy another one. Considering the prices of drugs nowadays, things are getting expensive. So farmers should start developing innovative means to cut the cost of their pig farm. Now we add a handful of C4 to our solution. Then we stir thoroughly. Having done this, we are set to administer this to our pigs, our cost-effective solution, which can fight against typhoid in piglets. This is a typical example. You can see this also. The typical example of when your pigs starts having typhoid and failure to discern and treat accordingly will lead to financial losses. So now we will start we administer 3 ml per piglet. Place a mark on it and then we can administer. So 3 ml of this solution is given to the piglets. So having administered the medication for typhoid, we do this twice daily, morning and evening, for 3 to 4 days. Then you see changes.